Hello, today I'm in Hyundai Kona. In this video I will show you steering wheel buttons functions. Firstly, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel you can activate voice assistant, change radio source, increase or decrease volume, change radio station, answer and end the calls. Of course, if you press here you will use horn, and on the right side we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate speed limiter and cruise control, and we can manage it thanks to press plus, set minus and this 0 button. Next, if you press here, you will go to instrument cluster menu that you can manage thanks to these 3 buttons. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.